In the world of dairy farming, silage quality can make or break productivity. One of the most powerful tools in the modern forage toolkit is the silage inoculant, a microbial powerhouse designed to control fermentation and preserve nutrients. But not all inoculants are created equal. If you're simply choosing a product based on price or packaging, you could be missing the real science behind what makes an inoculant effective. The key lies in the CFUs, colony-forming units, which measure the number of live, viable microorganisms ready to go to work in your silage. So how do you ensure you're getting the best bang for your buck and the best fermentation for your forage? According to Dr. Bob Charley, Forage Products Manager at Lallemand Animal Nutrition, there are three critical things to check when evaluating CFUs in silage inoculants. Let's dive in. First things first, transparency matters. Any reputable silage inoculant should clearly state the number of CFUs per gram of fresh forage on its label. If this key detail is missing, it's a major red flag. Without knowing the microbial concentration, you can't be sure whether you're applying enough beneficial bacteria to do the job effectively. Pro tip: look for packaging that specifies CFUs per gram of forage, not just per gram of product. This helps you calculate whether you're hitting the optimal inoculation rate during application. It's not just about having some bacteria, you need the right amount. For fast and efficient fermentation, research shows that at least 100,000 CFUs per gram of fresh forage are needed. This level helps rapidly drop the pH and lock in the nutrients. But if you're targeting aerobic stability, especially in corn silage or high moisture corn, that number should be even higher. For instance, Lactobacillus buchneri 4788 is a strain for improving aerobic stability. To see proven results, it must be applied at 400,000 CFUs per gram for forage and 600,000 CFUs per gram for high moisture corn. Beware of products claiming aerobic stability benefits without offering this minimum CFU level. Claims are easy to make, but science should back them up. Choose inoculants that have been tested in independent trials and peer-reviewed studies at the CFU levels advertised. Ask these questions. Has the product been validated by third-party research? Was the inoculant tested at the recommended application rate? Are the benefits consistent across various forage types and storage conditions? Products backed by independent university trials or published journal articles offer a higher level of trust and a greater chance of success in your silage program. When it comes to silage inoculants, the real value lies in the viability, concentration, and credibility of the microbial strains. Just like you wouldn't feed your herd expired or underdosed supplements, you shouldn't settle for inoculants that fall short on CFUs or scientific backing. By checking for clear CFU labeling, sufficient CFU levels for your forage type, and independent research-based validation, you can ensure that your silage is not only preserved but primed for performance. Smart dairy farming starts with informed choices. Don't just go by the brand name or price tag. Look deeper into the CFUs. Your cows, your yields, and your bottom line will thank you.